You're going to give... Hey guys, Not So Average Builder here today. And I wanted to kind of share something with you. That was an awesome deal that I couldn't pass up. I'm super excited about it, like super, and I'm going to do the full-on model making guru shaking of happiness, and oh, it's so awesome. So again, this was a deal that I could not pass up, like absolutely refused to pass up. Well, luckily I was able to allocate some funds. I sold a car to get this, but this will be my first ever mail call. I don't know what I'm going to call it yet, but it's my first ever. I've received some friggin' awesome mail. So let me bring it up here and I will show it to you. It's massive. It's so massive. It's so massive. Look at this. Look at this. It's like a Christmas present. We're going to open this up. Oh, you see him? You see him? Oh, knocking over. It's so massive. Like the camera doesn't even fit. Let me zoom this thing out here. Look at this. It's so huge. And the person who sent it was in some pretty awesome reversed wrapping paper. Look at this thing. Look at this. I've never owned a perfect grade until now. And like these boxes are massive. For scale, right? For scale, we've got a high grade box. You know what it looks like. Everybody does. Look at the size difference. Look at the size difference. Oh! I don't want to move the camera too much. Let's get this out of the way. I don't even know if this is all going to fit on here. Look at this. So we'll pop it open and I'll see what's inside. This thing is sweet. Oh. She's thicker than a Snickers. So many. I'm just going to pull the book out just because that's easier. But it looks like dry rubs. Possibly. No, it is stickers. Well, that's a letdown. Well, I'm going to try and find some water slides for this because I'm not. Nope. And look at this. Look at this book. It's a book. It's not even an instruction manual. It's a book. Oh. So let's just mess with that. None of these have ever been. Oh, I'm sorry. We got something else. I don't know what this is. Oh, it kind of tells you about the Gundam. I'm so excited. Ah! This thing is massive. So let's put these back in here. Shame on you, Bandai. For what this thing costs, you can't give us water slides? Come on. If someone is going to buy this, you are a serious modeler and you've dealt with water slides or dry rubs or something. Stickers are unacceptable. What is that? Those are stickers. Look, you can see the film. Those are stickers. No, Bandai. No, bad Bandai. I know this is an older kit, but still, no. Shouldn't do it. Oh. My word. This is going to be so much fun. And I will do an absolute unboxing video of this. I just want to kind of pull it out because I've never seen a perfect grade in person. I've seen them online, pictures, all that stuff, but I have a perfect grade. Now the cool thing is, I will be selling this thing once I'm finished weathering and painting, and I'm going to fully paint it. This will be up for sale, so look forward to that. But you guys get to see it come to life along the way, and I'm going to probably do, it's probably going to be an extensive build series on this, but that's okay. I think you'll enjoy it just as much as I will. Oh, I'm so excited. So excited. So yeah, it's a little short video, but I just want to show you all of this. It is so neat. So yeah, that's my mail call. I'm going to call it mail call. That's what I'm going to call it. That's exactly what it is. So, you know, when you see this video, it'll be titled mail call, but you'll already know it's mail call. Whatever. But you know what I mean. It's mail call. But bye, guys.